My name is Ben, and this is my UX solution for Communiteer. If we first look at the prototype from our persona Nellie's point of view, she's going to sign up as a new user. You would sort of work your way up in these levels and gain new badges.
Gold for good, that's a great idea. I think that is really clever and quite inspired.
It's a lot easier to expand these elements into the desktop version rather than doing the desktop version and then having to shrink everything and make it mobile friendly.
You can feel like even though you're in front of the screen, there's actually so much happening on this website. This is an opportunity that Communiteer can partner up with NGOs such as One Tree Planted to multiply the user's impact.
Originally I had the icons at the top, so close and share at the top, and I A/B tested that with just a close button and a share button down below.
And I list the what's new. What's new is a feed category and explore and community and the dashboard.
So when you've completed projects, the NGOs have to endorse your skills.
So this is the dashboard that you will see when you log in. It's not intuitive at the moment, so I sort of just wanted to improve on that as well.
Take a quiz to find out what type of change maker you are, right? They know that they want to volunteer, but they don't know what exactly are their passions.
And this is such an amazing structured way of providing that perspective.
Please keep in touch with us and see where we can go. We're always expanding and looking for talent.
Thank you to everyone. This class actually has been awesome. I've really enjoyed it.